In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get verified on OpenSea. We're going to walk through preparing your OpenSea profile so it's complete, credible, and ready for verification review. I'll keep it simple and clear, and you can follow along on your own screen. Start by heading to the OpenSea website. Once you're on the home page, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Settings. This opens your account controls. From there, select Profile. You're now in the place where most of the verification groundwork happens. Begin with your username. Choose something professional and consistent with the name you use across your NFT work or brand. Keep it readable, avoid special characters if possible, and make sure it matches the identity your audience knows. Next, fill out your bio. This is your story in a few sentences. What you create, your style, and what people can expect from your collections. Keep it clear and honest. Avoid adding any personal sensitive information. Focus on your work, achievements, and what makes your art or project unique. Add your URL. This should be your official website or a trusted link hub. Make sure it's accurate, up to date, and clearly connected to you. Consistency across platforms helps OpenSea and collectors recognize authenticity. Enter your email address. Use an inbox you actively check. OpenSea will send a verification email and you'll need to confirm it before moving on. A verified email not only helps with support and security, it's also a core trust signal. Now, go to your email inbox such as Gmail and look for the message from OpenSea. If you don't see it, check spam or promotions. Open the email and complete the verification by following the link provided. Come back to your profile after you've confirmed it. Head to social connections within your profile. Connect the social accounts that represent your brand, ideally the ones you actively maintain. Handles and names should match your profile details to reinforce authenticity. Click Save to lock in your changes. If anything doesn't save, double-check required fields and fix any typos or invalid links. Finally, go to Linked Wallets. Select Linked Wallet and connect the wallets you use for your NFTs. Approve the request in your wallet app by signing the message. You're only authorizing a connection. Never share your seed phrase or private keys. With your profile completed, email verified, socials connected, and wallets linked, you've built a solid foundation. OpenSea's verification emphasizes authenticity and activity, and these steps position your account for review. Keep creating, stay consistent, and you'll be set for the next stage.